show you some helpful things to help you be the most successful in this course. So first off, just notice that this is a to-do list. This is what is going to be due soon, and so this will just have a list of everything that's coming up for you. This is on the home page. If you click on the announcements button, this will take you a page that has any announcements that I am wanting to share with you, any helpful resources that I am wanting to share with you as well. So in this, you'll find that welcome, how to contact me, your grade weights, week 1 help resources, week 2, there was a common technical difficulty, and so I posted an announcement on how to navigate around that. Your codes had another technical difficulty on training, so here's a short video clip. So this is just anything that's coming up throughout the quarter that I've noticed or been notified and contacted about and feel like it needs to be shared with the class. So please utilize your announcements. Also, please notice that if you click on week 1, it'll pull up to have a pacing guide, so with an estimated due day and additional resources for it, as well as when my office hours are located, and so that this is kind of your go-to on how to contact me and some additional helps for you to navigate through this course. Under the assignments tab, you're going to find a list of your assignments. For this, you can click on it. You can click on it by type. So this is all of your video instructions, your other checkpoints. So, and again, it tells you what percentage of your grade it is made up of. So notice that your exams are 10% and your final exam is 5% and your projects are 10%. And then these video instructions go hand in hand with your project. So if you notice, this is Lesson 7 project help video. This is a step-by-step guide on how to do Lesson 7's project. So if you follow this, it'll be almost a guaranteed 100% because if you follow these steps, they are construction, so I just check your construction markings and make sure that they're okay. So if you notice this is worth 10% and your projects are worth 10%, they are together worth 20% of your grade. So you're going to have 20% of your grade built up by watching a video right here and then completing that assignment, taking a screenshot of it, submitting it for this one, and submitting it for this one. So there's not any more work you have to do for the Lesson 13 project than you've already completed it in Lesson 13's project help guide. So those are essentially the same assignment, and so you're receiving credit for 2 assignments when you actually just complete it once. Discussions are located under the discussion tab, and these are to help actually not talk about math, but to talk about how to be more successful in day-to-day life, in navigating an online setting. So that's what this is about, and you'll be able to post first, and then after you post, then you'll be able to see other people's comments. So you will not be able to see anyone's comments until you post. This is to keep originality intact. And then if you want, you can check on your grades here. And there's a really cool tip in this. So if you click on this button, it says calculate based only on graded assignments. So if I unclick this, see my total is 2.42%. This is me as a test student. This is for all of the work in the course if I were to leave right now. And yes, it's low because it's the test student and we've just started it. So, but if you click this, it changes it because it's only based on the grades that you have submitted that are graded. You can view your grades based on what-if scores so that you know how grades will be affecting by upcoming and resubmitting assignments. You can test scores for an assignment that already includes a score or an assignment that has yet to be graded. What that means is you could go in here and you can type in a what-if score. What if I had 100% on that? What would that do to my grade? What if I had 100% on this? What would it do to my grade? See how it's going up. What if I had 100% on this? And then if you're at the end of the quarter and you're like, I just need 2%. What am I supposed to do? Click on this and say I had a 50%. Well, then what would happen if I redid it and had a 75%? And it goes up. So then that way you can look and navigate for yourself what you can do in order to raise your grade by how much you would like. So note, this is not your official score. Revert to actual score and it'll take it all back. So that is a really, really helpful tip at the end of the quarter. Then the syllabus is just going to break down the percentages of each type of assignment. And then if you want to contact me, please just use this announcements button and click on how to contact Mrs. Wood. Follow the instructions there, and then I would love to help you out. Hope this helps. Thanks.